Many times people are mistaken for having problems with their memory when in fact they have more of a problem with their hearing. So tip number 4 has to do with hearing and making sure that your loved one can hear before you try to talk to them. So this seems pretty simple, but it's a really important one because people with dementia are older, they tend to have more hearing problems, and we need to make sure that we don't assume everything's due to their memory. So if they have hearing aids, try to get them to wear them. If they lose their hearing aids often or don't like to wear them, you could consider getting them an amplification device, such as a pocket talker, basically headphones you wear over the ears. It makes your voice sound louder to them. It projects your voice more clearly. Also, you want to make sure when you're talking to them that you actually face them so that they can look at your lips, because a lot of them will do lip reading to try to pick up on the words that you're saying, and it helps them understand information so much better. So trying to have a conversation with your loved one while you both are looking at the TV isn't probably going to be very productive. Look at them and speak clearly. A lot of times it's more about how clear you say something versus loud. You don't necessarily want to talk louder to them and scream at them. You just want to have a clear voice. Also, the older you get, the more difficult, especially for men, to hear female voices. So if you tend to have a higher pitched female voice, it's going to be more difficult for your loved one to hear you. And you could try lowering it a couple of octaves to see if that helps when you have something important you want to ask them or tell them.